So the next problem is on comparing the ratios a1 by a2 comma b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect a point, are parallel or coincident. One example problem I am shown now. By checking the ratios, you have to say whether they are a intersecting lines or a parallel lines or coincident lines. Here is a problem. 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So what is the first work you have to do, children? a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 you should write. a1 is 5, b1 is minus 4, c1 is 8, a2 is 7, b2 is 6, c2 is minus 9. Now after writing the coefficient values, what is the next thing? Ratios you have to check. Now we will check a1 by a2 now. a1 is 5, a2 is 7. 5 by 7 we got. Again we will check b1 by b2. b1 is minus 4, b2 is 6. 2s are 3s are minus 2 by 3 you are getting. Again c1 by c2 you check it out. c1 is 8, c2 is minus 9. So you can observe a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 itself they are not equal. So first condition only. So you can say they are intersecting lines. When a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can say they are intersecting lines. So let us move to the one more problem. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. What will be a1, children? 6. b1 minus 3, c1 10. Here a2 2, b2 is minus 1, c2 is 9. Okay. So a1 by a2, 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 by 1 you are getting. Next b1 by b2, b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 1. So here also 1 1s are 1 3s are. So plus 3 only you are getting. Next c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is 10 by 9. See here these two are equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. But they are not equal to c1 by c2. So here the lines are parallel. When you get this condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, then the lines will be parallel. Okay. Next we will continue with the next problem. Here you have to say whether they are consistent or inconsistent. What is the thing you have to go with? Consistent and inconsistent. So, question is like this. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, this is the question. So when they will be consistent? When they are intersecting and coincident. That time they are consistent. If they are parallel, that time they are inconsistent. Okay, this is the thing you have to keep in mind. Now we will go with the first problem here. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. This is the thing you will be having. Just send 5 to this side. That time it becomes minus 5 because to get standard form. So a1 will be 3, b1 will be 2, c1 will be minus 5. Here also. Send 7 to the LHS part. It becomes minus 7. 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 you are getting. Write down the coefficients here. a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3, c2 is minus 7. After getting coefficients, what is the work you have to do? You have to find the ratios. So a1 by a2 you find it out 3 by 2. b1 by b2 you find it out b1 is 2, b2 is minus 3. c1 by c2 you find it out minus 5, minus 7. So here itself you can observe that a1 by a2 is 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is 2 by minus 3. They itself not equal. So if they are not equal, this ratio is not equal, then they are intersecting lines. If they are intersecting, what I said, they are consistent. Okay. Now let us go with one more example. One more problem of the exercise. 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 and Minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. Send 11 to this side to make the standard form. 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Here also minus 10x plus 6y minus 22 will become plus 22. Now write down the coefficient. A1 is 5, B1 is minus 3, C1 is minus 11, A2 is minus 10, B2 is plus 6, C2 is plus 22. Now let us find the ratios. A1 by A2, find it out. 5 by minus 10, so which is 1 minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2 minus 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are, even it is minus 1 by 2. C1 by C2, we find it out. C1 is minus 11, C2 is 22. 11 ones are, 11 twos are, even it is minus 1 by 2. You can observe A1 by A2 is minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is minus 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is minus 1 by 2. So all are equal. If all are equal, then they are coincident. That means one line lies upon the other line. So even coincident lines are having a value, so it is consistent. Okay. So the graphical problems we will solve, which are very important for your exam. 4 marks surely you are getting for a graph. So that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.